here on this roof, cutting in vents. Figure I'd share with y'all a bird's eye view with this mill. Yep. We out here running these roofers ragged, putting holes in the roof. So there's the old bell tower that's still operational. And most of this construction was in the 1800s. Don't tell nobody I'm crossing this road. So we're out here in Rocky Mountain on the Tar River. Old mill dam. I'd imagine that once upon a time there was an old wheel that sat here. But there's turbines put in the 40s that are sitting back over here underneath me. I believe they let the water in right there to power the turbines, to power all the spinning equipment, to spin the cotton. Pretty sight. Yes, sir. I got a lot of work ahead of me. Show y'all more later.